Hi guys, my name is Simran. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the day 5 of #Navratri series. I hope you all are liking the videos. If you haven't subscribed yet my channel, then subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. For eyes, I'm only going to use this blue liner and I'm just going to create a blue wing liner, and that's it for the eyes. So let's start. I'm applying some liner, black liner in my lower lash line. And lastly, I'm going to apply some mascara and lashes, and we are done with our eyes. Lastly, I'm going to apply lipstick. I will spray some makeup fixer and we are done for the day. So guys, I'm done with my makeup, and this is really a beginner friendly makeup. Each and every girl can do this makeup, and this is really very easy. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's incredible. See you all in the next video. Bye.